At the BASF factory in Pudong, Shanghai, there are 250 forklift drivers operating 67 forklifts each year, handling over 260,000 tons of materials. How to ensure the safety of every operator behind this is a question that BASF has been constantly pondering. With a large number of people and a variety of vehicles, management is very difficult. Collision accidents occur from time to time, and it is difficult to define the responsibility of drivers. Safety hazards are always present. To solve this problem, BASF has developed a forklift management system based on 4G connection. Each driver binds the designated vehicle through the ID card chip, and only certified personnel can operate it. The system collects behavioral data in real time and automatically triggers response measures such as deceleration and stopping when a collision occurs. From then on, who was driving, how they were driving, and when an accident occurred could all be traced. Supervisors can view the operation behavior of drivers and the running status of forklifts in real time. Vehicle inspection has also been fully launched, achieving a transformation from paper-based management to intelligent control. After the project was implemented, forklift accidents decreased by 21%, injury accidents dropped to zero, and the annual maintenance cost was reduced by more than €50,000. The successful experience was rapidly promoted to many countries in the Asia-Pacific region, driving the upgrade of global logistics security. At BASF, we always put people's health and safety first. The new generation of forklift management system is not merely a technological upgrade, but also our firm commitment to future safety, efficiency, and sustainability.